Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Ma'am Sybel Explains. This video is all about rounding off numbers. For our first question, Peter has 3,411 marbles. About how many marbles does he have? In order to solve this question, we have to round off 3,411 to the nearest thousand. It is best to review the place value of our given number, the 3,411. So this is our ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, we have two choices. Actually, we have to choose whether we will round up or round down. If we will round up, our answer will be 4,000. If we will round down, our answer will be 3,000. So how are we going to decide then? So let us first visualize 3,411 in a number line. So we will draw the number line here, in here. So we'll draw and locate where is our 3,411. So somewhere right here in the center of this is 3,500. So it means our 3,411 is somewhere right here. Okay, as you can see, it is closer to 3,000 than the 4,000. So it's better that we have to visualize things in order to decide for the correct answer. So in visualizing, we will go for 3,000. We will do round down. The question is, when we are not going to use visualizing, when do we do round down? It is simple. All we need to do is to locate the number to be rounded. And for this case, we have 3. And then, we have to take a look at the number to its right. If the number to its right is less than 5, we will round down. What are the numbers less than 5? These are 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Then, we do round down. When do we round up? Just take a look at the next digit to the right of the rounding place. If the next digit to the right is 5 or greater, just add 1 to the digit in the rounding place. So, what are the numbers greater than 5 or equal to 5? These are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we do round up. For example, Peter has 3,855 marbles. About how many marbles does he have? So in this problem, we have to identify the digit in the rounding place, and that is 3. What is the digit at the right of the 3? That is 8. If the digit at the right of the rounding place is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we will round up. So after rounding up, we will add 1 to the rounding place. This will become 1 plus 3. That will give us 4, and the rest of the digits will be 0. That is how to round up numbers. We have another example. Nate has 1,224 FB friends, while Oliver has 1,675 FB friends. Altogether, about how many friends do they have? How to solve this problem? First, we have to add the number of friends Nate and Oliver have. Then, we will round off to the nearest thousands. This time, we can already add Nate's friends. That's 1,224. For Oliver, that is 1,675. Let's add 4 plus 5, that's 9. 2 plus 7, that's 9. 6 plus 2, that's 8. And 1 plus 1, that's 2. Altogether, they have 2,899 FB friends. This time, let's round it off to the nearest thousands. 2,899. Let's locate the number that is in the thousands place. This is the thousands place. What number next to its right? That is 8. It means we will round up. Then we will add 1 to the rounding place. That is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then the rest of the digits will be 0. So it means our answer is 3,000. Don't forget to hit the like button if you think this is helpful. Till next time!